Well, we are in the middle of severe weather season and could face threats such as flooding, hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. You need to know what's the threat and how to react.
As a result, over the next 3 nights, the ABC 36 storm team is going to take us with a behind-the-scenes look at what happens when severe weather hits. They're going to talk about things like ways to stay safe, the advancements in technology, which is amazing, and how watches and warnings are issued. ABC 36 meteorologist Elise Dolinar begins our reports with ways that you and your family can stay safe.
When severe weather threatens your home, your family, what do you do? Where do you go? How can you keep them safe? Most of us don't think about all of that until it's too late. But the ABC 36 storm team wants to make sure you know what the weather threat is and how you should react.
Our main mission in the National Weather Service is to protect life and property. So we need to be prepared to issue warnings that potentially could save your life.
Meteorologists are weather scientists whose job is to study the Earth's weather patterns and how they may impact the public.
We have a team here that works during severe weather. We all have assigned roles to do. They're very important roles, and part of that obviously is issuing warnings. Those warnings are based on knowledge and understanding of the science and a lot of other factors, reports, and the environment in which the storms occur. And from that, we make intelligent decisions that hopefully allow you to take the action you need to protect yourself and your livelihoods.
When severe storms, flooding, or tornadoes are knocking at your door, what do you do? Each scenario will require slightly different attention, but in essence, there are a few common and important steps to follow.
Number one is awareness. Be aware of what your community is going to face in the next 24, 48 hours. Be prepared for whatever the threat is going to come. Have a plan. Absolutely have a written plan. Go down it periodically with all the family together and look at the plan. And last but certainly not least, have a kit.
Your kit should include food and water to last your family for at least 72 hours, clothing, a flashlight and batteries. A weather radio couldn't hurt. Items you may need if you lose power. Now, once you have your kit packed, go find your safe spot.
Things that we've used in the past and I still use is sort of a ready, set, go type of thing.
Get ready when you see there is a threat for severe weather that day. Get set with your kit when watches are posted, and go to your safe spot when warnings are issued. Remember, get down to the lowest and most interior part of the building you're in. If you can, find something to get under and cover your head with, like a helmet. Now, if you're in a large store or venue like Rupp Arena, find a designated shelter or get into an interior bathroom. If you're outside or driving, try to seek shelter indoors. But what if nothing's nearby?
Cars are mobile. Mobile homes are mobile. RVs are mobile. They're designed to move. And if the wind's strong enough, they will move. And if you're inside of them, you're going to move with them. If you do find yourself in that worst case scenario situation, the best thing that you can do to protect you from the wind is to get out of the vehicle and get into some sort of low-lying depression, down near a culvert, something like that. Now, having said that, you put yourself in the worst case scenario now for any flooding that could occur with that.
Now you have a plan in place and your kit is ready to go, but what have you actually been preparing for? There is a pattern to the severe weather we see here in Kentucky. It's not always the rule, but often is the exception.
Typically, when it comes to convective weather, it's the big supercell storms in the west, the squall line in the central part of the state, and the flooding in the east.
No matter what the severe threat is, you need to be proactive, not reactive. Believe it or not, forecasting the weather takes more than a magic 8-ball and good luck. Meteorologists have a range of technology at their fingertips that continues to improve. What does that mean for you? Better information that will help to keep you and your family safe. Join us tomorrow night to take a peek at the tech side of the weather world. For ABC 36 News, I'm meteorologist Elise Dolinar.